Hey YouTube, how's it going? Well, it's Monday, a little bit after 8 this morning, and I have received the notification email that the camcorder is ready to pick up. So I'm headed off to do that. The weather is certainly changing. 48 degrees this morning. Isn't that just lovely? Well, at least it won't be too hot. So here we are at America's largest retailer to pick up the camcorder. After a long walk to the back of the store. And now here we are in the site to store pickup area. And the waiting is almost over. Well, I've got it. It's right here in the car. And the next stop is on the way home to unbox this thing. And as you can see, I have it. Toshiba Camileo X100, and now we're going to do the unboxing. Take care of the plastic outer coating here. There. All right. Now, let's see. Oh yes, there's tape here. They made sure this thing wasn't going to come open by accident, which is good. The question is, will it come open on purpose? It's a very tight fit. Okay, here we go. Almost there. And it's open. Alright. Got this fancy little foam thing here. Remote control. The camcorder itself, small, compact, very nice. Okay, let's get to the rest of this. Nice foam packaging here. They did a good job with the packaging, I'll say that. Okay, software. Good grief. That's the warranty? My God. Okay, it's in 2 languages, but it's still a 12-page warranty. An awful lot of it is written in all caps. Okay, quick start guide. Little carry pouch, which I may never use. AC adapter, lens cap. Let's see. Looks like RCA component cable, video out. HDMI cable, which I won't be using because I don't have a TV or anything that uses HDMI. And a USB cable and a lens cleaner. Alright. And now I'm going to get this thing cranked up, get it working, go through the quick start guide, and the next clip you see will be recorded with the new camcorder. And now finally, the segment that you're looking at right now was recorded with the Toshiba Camileo X100. And I can prove that because this is the flip. So if I'm holding the flip, I can't possibly be using it to record. So, the clips that you saw before this one were recorded with the flip at 720p and this clip is now being recorded at 1080p. And I think what I'm probably going to do is that for most cases, for ordinary vlogs and such, I'm just going to go with the 720p mode on the Toshiba. And the reason for this is file size and rendering time. More special things like watching bad videos so you don't have to, Fat Trek episodes, the Troll Wars video, and other quote-unquote special things will be done in 1080p. And I kind of like this thing. The feature about it with the remote, I like being able to do stuff like this without having to touch the camera. And just being able to, just being able to start and stop the record without touching the camera and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble because, well, I'm rambling. In any event, I'm going to go ahead and put this video to bed and get it put together and uploaded. Part 2 of the tour of my Minecraft world will happen later today. This was just a sort of a special thing, and as such, this one is the YTO video for the day, and the Minecraft world tour will come up later today. I just had to do something with this new cam now that I have it. Alright, take it easy. I'm out of here.